Hey, what's up? This is Joan MCC. People also call me the Tech Chick, and I'm here with you today because I owe you and Jlab an apology. I reviewed the Jlab JBuds Airs previously, and I just got to keep it real with you. I was so wrong about those earbuds. In fact, I'm going to be so transparent, I'm not even color grading this video. Now, before I set the record straight, let's take a look back at where I went wrong. So Tanya, I recommended these Jlab earbuds to you.
Yes, ma'am.
And how you feel about them?
I don't like them.
No? Houston, we have a problem. These earbuds are falling out of my ears. Okay, so what's my take on the Jlab JBuds Air? I am incredibly underwhelmed. I got some helpful feedback from some of my viewers. Everett Winstead said, you have to twist in the canal to lock in. Duh. Of course. My bad. Thanks, Everett. So I did that, but the sound was still horrible. Twist and lock. Push, twist, lock. Push, twist, lock. That feels wonderful. Flojo chimed in a little bit later and said, Jlab has 3 different EQ settings: signature, balanced, and bass boost. That might help. Just press the right earbud 3 times. Well, that's what I did. Everett and Flojo, thank you. Because I gotta tell you, once I did that, they sounded amazing. Everything I said the last time, just please disregard, because the bass boost was great on the EDM song. The balanced and the signature were great on the Michael Jackson song. I mean, I just gotta confess to you, they put my beloved Dudios Zeus Aces to shame. So Tanya, I know that you told me that you didn't like these, so if you don't like them, can I get them? I'm just saying. But just to let you know, the highs were great. I think they're still a little recessed, but they're $50. Okay, so for this price point, they are excellent. And it was to the point where I kept switching back and forth between these and my Dudios and my Jabra Elites, trying to see if I had changed the setting on my Dudios. And I couldn't, they just didn't sound good anymore after hearing these the way they were meant to be heard. So buy these. These are a win. They're a win. Go get them, the Jlab JBuds Airs. I'm so serious. Subscribe, like, and turn the bell on. I appreciate it. I'll see you next time. Peace.